Hi, I'm Cindy Kinney with Knowledge Box Central. I'm going to tell you a little bit about color and shape psychology. They're really fascinating fields of study, and at Knowledge Box Central, we actually use them in creating our lap books. You're going to find lots of different colors and shapes used in all of our products, and every single shape or color has a purpose. None of them are accidental. After years of studies related to color and shape psychology, we've found that students actually retain information for a longer period of time and have a higher interest in the topic if we use certain colors and certain shapes. You may not know, but every single color has a psychological value. There are actually colors that can make you sad, hungry, sleepy. There are colors that make you feel hot or cold, even nauseated. There are some colors that can bring to mind immediately certain events or topics. In the Knowledge Box Central lap books, you'll find that topics related to food are going to be on red or yellow paper. Booklets about peacemakers will be on blue. Booklets about villains may be on red. We worked really hard to use specific colors to help your students to actually be able to retain the information that he's learning by connecting the colors that his brain already associates with certain topics and certain emotions with the actual topic that he's studying. We also use shape psychology in the same way. For example, if a question has 4 answers, then you're going to find that our booklets either have 4 sides or they fold out 4 times. If it has 3 answers, maybe it's going to be in the shape of a triangle or fold out 3 times. Also, we use shapes that are actually significant to the topic. Like, for example, this one is about bony fish and it's in the shape of a fish. Here's one that is in the shape of a horse, in the shape of a cactus, for example. But we do use a lot of shaped booklets in our lap books as well, and that actually does help to stimulate the child to remember the topics, especially when the topics are really challenging. Color and shape psychology actually helps improve the interest as well as how long the child remembers the information. During our studies, we've found that these methods, we use these methods with 2 different groups of children, whereas with one group of children we would use intentional colors and shapes, and then with another group use random colors and shapes. And in every single study we found that the group where we used intentional colors and shapes retained the information that they were taught much longer, and they actually seemed genuinely interested in the topic. I encourage you to read more about color psychology so that you can actually utilize this exciting field in teaching your children as well. If you would like hands-on projects that already have these scientific methods built in, then I encourage you to try lap books published by Knowledge Box Central.